Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6, a premium 6-seater MPV that's been turning heads in the automotive world. Whether you're considering it for your next family vehicle or just curious about its features, this comprehensive review will provide you with all the insights you need. Introduction to the 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6. The Maruti Suzuki XL6 has always been known for its blend of style, comfort, and practicality. The 2025 model takes these attributes to the next level, offering a refreshed design, enhanced features, and improved performance. Let's explore what makes this MPV stand out in its segment. Exterior design and aesthetics. The 2025 XL6 boasts a bold and sophisticated design, ensuring a commanding presence on the road. Key exterior highlights include front fascia. A new chrome-accented grille adds a premium touch, flanked by sleek LED headlamps that enhance visibility and aesthetics. Body contours. Smooth lines and a sculpted body give the XL6 a dynamic and modern appearance. Wheels. Depending on the variant, the XL6 comes equipped with stylish alloy wheels that not only enhance its look but also contribute to a smoother ride. Interior comfort and features. Step inside the XL6, and you're greeted with a spacious and luxurious cabin designed for comfort and convenience. Seating configuration. The 6-seater layout features plush captain seats in the second row, providing ample legroom and comfort for passengers. Materials and finish. Premium leatherette upholstery, adjustable headrests, and a refined dashboard design elevate the interior ambience. Infotainment system. A user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system with smart connectivity options ensures entertainment and navigation are always at your fingertips. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 XL6 is powered by a 1.5 liters K15C smart hybrid petrol engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Power output. The engine produces 103 PS of maximum power at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 137 Newton-meters of peak torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. Transmission options. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic transmission, catering to different driving preferences. Fuel efficiency. The smart hybrid technology enhances fuel efficiency, making the XL6 an economical choice for both city commutes and long drives. Dimensions and space. The XL6 is designed to offer ample space for passengers and cargo. Exterior dimensions, with a length of 4,445 mm, width of 1,775 mm, and height of 1,755 mm, the XL6 has a substantial presence on the road. Wheelbase. A 2,740 mm wheelbase ensures stability and contributes to generous interior space. Boot space. The vehicle offers 209 liters of boot space, accommodating luggage for family trips with ease. Safety features. Safety is a priority in the 2025 XL6, which comes equipped with a range of features to ensure the well-being of all occupants. Airbags. Dual front airbags provide essential protection in case of a collision. ABS with EBD. The anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution ensures controlled and effective braking. Rear parking sensors. These assist in safe and convenient parking, especially in tight spots. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6 is available in multiple variants to suit different needs and budgets. Zeta, starting at a superscript 111.71 lakh. This base model offers a comprehensive set of features, making it a value-for-money option. Alpha, priced at a superscript 112.71 lakh. This variant adds more premium features for enhanced comfort and convenience. Alpha Plus, at a superscript 113.31 lakh. The top model comes fully loaded with all the bells and whistles for those seeking the best experience. Please note that prices are ex-showroom and may vary based on location and additional options. Conclusion: the 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6 successfully combines style, comfort, and performance, making it a strong contender in the premium MPV segment. Whether you're planning family outings or daily commutes, the XL6 offers a compelling package that's hard to overlook. For a more visual and detailed walkthrough, check out this comprehensive review. 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6 Review: India's premium MPV gets. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Drive safe and see you in the next video. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6 features an upgraded and stylish rear profile, adding to its premium appeal. The MPV's backside is designed to offer both aesthetics and functionality, making it stand out in its segment. Rear design styling: the XL6's LED tail lamps come with a stylish smoked effect, giving the rear a sophisticated look. The connected chrome strip running across the tailgate enhances the vehicle's premium feel. The sculpted rear bumper integrates well with the body, providing a sporty and bold stance. Tailgate boot space: the tailgate is wide and easy to access, making loading and unloading luggage hassle-free. With the third row seats up, the XL6 offers 209 liters of boot space, enough for small bags and essentials. However, folding down the third row increases the cargo area significantly, making it practical for long trips and additional storage needs. Rear windshield wiper: the large rear windshield enhances visibility, ensuring a clear rear view for the driver. A rear wiper and defogger are included in higher variants, improving safety and visibility in rainy or foggy conditions. Rear bumper parking sensors: the sturdy rear bumper comes with integrated parking sensors, providing additional safety while reversing. Higher variants also feature a 360-degree camera, offering a complete view of the surroundings for easier parking. Conclusion: the 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6's rear design is both stylish and functional, combining premium aesthetics with practicality. From its LED tail lamps to the spacious boot and advanced safety features, the XL6's rear profile ensures convenience and a modern look, making it a top choice in the MPV segment. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.